Welcome to my channel where magic happens. Mix the resin, mix with care, colors.
Hello, welcome back everyone. Thanks for joining me. So this is going to be a collaboration with the Friendship Express Drain, and I'm going to do an eco pour little tray. I don't know that the stickers will stick to it because sometimes it just doesn't stick. So let's hope I can do something with it. Also, I would like to say a very big thank you for all the very many well wishes I received. I can say that I'm finally on the road to recovery. Thank you so much. Love you all. Thanks for supporting my small channel and helping me grow. And this is just a little mixture of glitter, nothing fancy. I hope you guys can forgive me for the shakiness. It's a bit hard sometimes. And all I'm doing is placing a bit of mica powder randomly wherever I want it.
Welcome to my channel where magic happens. Mix the resin.
Hopefully it will stick, at least some of it anyway.
Whirling in the air, liquid art, swirling dreams of pain, pouring, setting free, a world of color just for me to create.
With some little tiny Easter eggs on the table on Easter. I'm sure my granddaughter will love it. She's just turned 2 and she's so sweet. These I'll take out because I will add them afterwards. Okay, so this is a very easy eco pour. It's from Harry and Wilma here in Australia, and all I do is add some water to it. It's easy, very easy to do. But hopefully I've made enough. I want to keep this as much as possible as I have it. So going slowly. And I think I have enough left over to do a little bunny. Maybe 2. Let's have a look. Whoops. Maybe too much now. All right. I think think that that will do it. Now we'll have to let it set, and it doesn't take very long to set. So I will be back when it's set. Bye for now. So let's have a look if I can get it off already. Okay. Now we need to brush the excess mica off. These I like to leave them a bit longer, so I'm gonna leave them. So these were very easy to demold. All I did was roll it down and they came out very easily. All right, so this has not glued very well, to be honest. For whatever reason, it's not gluing very well. So hopefully the resin will make it stick. To add just a little bit more, I think I need it. All right, and I'm going to add a little bit of this over the top here to seal this as well. And I'll see what I do with these. Okay, so let's see what we do with these little ones. I don't know how well I'll do it because I have shaky hands, but I'll give it a try. And I'll fast forward this bit.
Adding glitter, a touch of gold. The story of this art unfolds. Watch the bubbles disappear, slowly hardening a patient way. The final touch, a work of art for me to share, and you to watch.
Okay, so here is the finished product. Look how pretty that is. I'm sorry about the light. I've got the sun shining in here partly, so hopefully you can see it properly. And let me just say, these two little rabbits are so sweet. Look at that. And I have sealed it with this instead of the wax and the other stuff. Look at that. They are super, super cute. just wanted to wish everybody a very happy Easter, safe and happy Easter. Thank you for your continuous support, and stay magical. Remember, we all have magic in us. Bye for now.